This video is an unboxing of the Harbor Freight Quinn 61-piece Master Impact Socket Set. Under the Harbor Freight ecosystem of product offerings, the Quinn is a mid-grade offering. The lower grade is Pittsburgh, and the higher end is Icon. This set costs $179.99 and was purchased with a 20% discount coupon. That made the net cost $143.99 pre-sales tax. The individual price per item in the set therefore becomes $2.36 each. This set was purchased in the spring of 2023. In addition to the heavy-duty blow mold storage case, which prevents the pieces from rolling around when the entire box is being moved, the pieces arrived fully organized, which made it easy to keep track of each piece. Now this set included 28 1/2-inch drive impact sockets, both SAE and metric. It included 28 1/2-inch drive deep impact sockets, both SAE and metric, one 1/2-inch drive impact universal joint, and 4 1/2-inch drive impact extension bars, 3 inches to 15 inches. The good thing about this kit is that it does not skip sizes. Generally speaking, you do not want to have to run to the store to buy a specialty size or go to the internet and wait 1 or more days to actually receive an extra piece. Overall, I prefer buying sets that do not skip sizes. I measured the weight of this kit to be 29 pounds without the paper covering. Harbor Freight's website indicates the shipping weight of this package to be 31.92 pounds. My first observation when I opened the kit was the black phosphate coating for corrosion resistance and longer tool life. These tools are made with chrome molybdenum, not chrome vanadium, which is used for hand tools. The heat-treated chrome molybdenum is a type of steel that's designed to withstand high torque applications like that of an impact driver. The sockets were dual marked with high visibility, laser etchings, and durable stamps. These made it easy to identify which socket was which size. The deep impact sockets are located in the center of the box. The shallow impact sockets are located on the outside perimeter of the box. The extension bars and the swivel adapter are also located next to the handle. The carrying case has 4 snap-on locks that allow the case to remain shut. I've never had the case open up by accident while I was transporting it. In addition, there is a small area for a lock to be placed if you want to put a combination lock to protect the tools. Finally, the 3 feet at the base of the case have prevented the case from tipping over by accident. So far, after 1 year of use, I have not had the case tip over. Finally, I like the fact that with the lifetime warranty, if an item within this case gets damaged, I can simply walk into Harbor Freight and have it replaced on the spot. This is particularly helpful when you're in the middle of a project and you need that tool right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.